Okay, this is my first day out after the scandemic was lifted, and I'm at Edessa, which has the largest waterfall in Greece. Time for some random scenes of this place. And here is the park before the waterfalls. Trees, tall ones. People sitting down with masks because they still think the pandemic is real. The church, for those who still for some reason believe in God. Hollow trees. Small fountain. Why do I sound like this? Let's go inside the hollow tree. I fit. I'm not that fat yet. Oh yay! What is the exit? Oh, help! What is the exit? Oh, there you are. It's no Niagara Falls, but it's the closest thing we have. This is as close as I can get to the edge. Woohoo! That's the family over there. Here's the side view. And yes, we even have a cavern! Ha 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 ha! This place has a bit of everything! Dun, 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 dun. And yes, you can even go behind the waterfall! Ha ha ha! Secret passage! Oh, ho, ho. I am right behind. Woo. Talk about water spells.